So this was the third place image. Obviously a beautiful floral with these tulips. I was sitting in this chair, and the very first thing I noticed on this print was, first, the flowers were gorgeous. The second thing I noticed was that it's printed on an RC paper. And if this was my image, I'd print this on a matte surface paper in a millisecond. I'd use something like Epson Hot Press, Epson Cold Press, one of the breathing color papers. You can get that rich a black and that rich a white on matte papers if you print it properly. And I think it would have made this, for me, this would have scored higher. All of us noticed that paper choice. It's a very, technically, it's a really solid print. I mean, there's great, rich blacks and really nice whites. But this style of photography, to me, just screams a matte surface paper. But that was really my only concern. Other than that, technically, the image is very well executed and printed on the paper it's printed on.